A new subsection C has been added to 220.11 in the 2023 National Electrical Code that states, applying demand factors for ranges, wall-mounted ovens, counter-mounted cooking units, and other household cooking appliance loads in excess of 1¾ kW shall be permitted, in accordance with Table 220.55, including Notes 4, 5, and 6. A new subsection C has been added to 220.11 in the 2023 National Electrical Code that states, applying demand factors for ranges, wall-mounted ovens, counter-mounted cooking units, and other household cooking appliance loads in excess of 1¾ kW shall be permitted, in accordance with Table 220.55, including Notes 4, 5, and 6. The panel has rewritten the language of 220.10 to correlate with actions taken during the first revision stage. Loads necessary for branch circuit calculations are included in the new list items under 220.10 General. Section 220.10 is revised and restructured to identify the various requirements applied when calculating branch circuit loads. The panel's action during the first draft relocated multiple sections to Part 3, feeder and service load calculations. While those relocated requirements do apply when calculating feeder and service load calculations, they are also applied when calculating branch circuit loads. Rather than repeat requirements in both Parts 2 and 3, a list is created in Section 220.10 that identifies all sections within 220 that apply to branch circuit load calculations. To improve usability, Section 220.10 is divided into two sections, with subsection A remaining as the general requirement, consistent with the scope of 220.10 in the 2020 National Electrical Code, and subsection B moving to new Section 210.11, resulting in the renumbering and lettering of the subsections to reflect the text as a standalone section. A revision has been made to align the language in 220.11c with Table 220.55, which applies to ovens, cooktops, and other electric cooking appliances. This revision will help to clarify that a cooktop and up to 2 wall ovens could be installed on the same branch circuit and would be considered the same as a range for the purpose of a branch circuit load calculation. A revision has been made to update and refer to Notes 4, 5, and 6